What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Blue Fusion at it again. Welcome back to another video of this Miniverse Make It Mini Nature series here on the channel. And today we're doing another one I like. We are doing strawberries. We're going to plant some strawberries and then we're going to test them out. Alrighty, let's get going. So it's pretty similar to what we did with the lettuce or cabbages. We have our dirt. Place it in our box there, and then we get growing. Alright, yeah, we're going to get scissors, rip it open, dump our dirt out. There we go. I was thinking we could maybe kind of want to leave it kind of rough, you know what I'm saying? Let's use this. It's a pretty big square. Maybe do that. There we go. Pack her down in. Maybe not. Everything is all bending up. So we're just gonna work with it, pack around it, and go from there. There we go. Best we can do. Alright. Here we have it. Got some strawberries. Give it a couple months, and there you go. Got some strawberries in your basket. Ready to go. Ready to be eaten. Alrighty, guys. If you guys did enjoy these little mini brands, mini nature series ones, we are gonna keep doing some more. Alrighty. If you guys like the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up, and we'll catch you in the next video.